The face of a prism PQR of angle 30 degree is silvered. A ray is incident on face PQ at an angle of 45 degree as shown. The refracted ray undergoes reflection on face PR and retraces its path. The refractive index of the prism is, options are root 2, 3 upon root 2, 1.5, 1.33. Now let us draw the diagram, ray diagram for this question. You are given a prism PQR. So angle of the prism is given how much? The face of a prism PQR of angle 30 degree. So this angle of the prism is 30 degree. A ray is incident on face PQ. This is face PQ. Let us draw the normal on this face PQ. The ray is incident at an angle of 45 degree. So this is incident ray. Angle I is given as 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Angle of incidence for face PQ is 45 degree. The refracted ray, now when the ray enters the prism, it will get refracted at the face PQ. This is the refracted ray. It goes like this. The refracted ray undergoes reflection on face PR. This face, it is given, face PR is silvered. In the diagram it is given, this diagram already given, face PR is silvered. This face is silvered. The refracted ray undergoes reflection on the face PR and retraces its path. Now this face which is silvered, now it will be acting like a mirror, plane mirror. The face PR of the prism will act as a plane mirror because this face is silvered and it goes reflection on the face PR and retraces its path. Retraces means when this refracted ray from the face PQ will fall in this on this face PR, it is retracing its path. Whenever the incident ray retraces the path, it means the ray will follow the same path like this, the arrow in the backward direction. Retracing means this incident ray on the face PR, it is incident normally. So it means this angle is 90 degree. Only then it will be able to retrace its path when this angle is 90 degree. So when this angle is 90 degree, this already is given to you as 30 degree. It means that this angle will be how much? If I consider this triangle, in this triangle you see one angle is 30, the other is 90 degree, 30 degree and 90 degree. So how much will be the remaining angle? This angle will be 180 minus 90 plus 30. This will give you 60 degree. So that means this angle is 60 degree. Now I want to know how much is this angle. This is the angle of refraction for the face PQ of the prism. And this is the normal. So it means that normal means this angle, complete angle, this much angle, this is 90 degree. So 90 में से अगर हम 60 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते तो हमको ये वाला एंगल मिल जाएगा. This is angle of refraction for the face PQ. So this angle will come out to be, इसको हम 90 minus 60 करके I can obtain this angle as 30 degree. So this is the angle of refraction. 30 degree is the angle of refraction on the face PQ. So इस डायग्राम में हमने एंगल्स अपने शो कर दिए हैं और हमको फाइंड क्या करना है, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द प्रिज्म. नाउ इफ़ आई लुक एट द फेस PQ पर हम स्नेल्स लॉ अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. साइन आई अपॉन साइन आर. साइन आई इज हाउ मच? साइन 45 एंड साइन आर, एंगल आर हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड कर लिया 30 डिग्री, साइन 30 डिग्री. ना पुट द वैल्यू, साइन 45 होता है 1/√2 डिवाइड बाय साइन 30. साइन 30 1/2. इसको हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं आगे. 1/√2 ये रेसिप्रोकल होकर 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा. सो 2/√2. √2 इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो लेट अस रैशनलाइज दिस. 2/√2 को डिनोमिनेटर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं √2 से. न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय √2. यू विल गेट 2√2 upon 2. Now cancel 2, so root 2. So this is the refractive index of the prism. Answer is root 2. So let us look at the option. Which option is correct? So A option is the correct answer.